So there are different ways to draw right and wrong strokes. So when you're drawing the primary strokes, you have to make sure the secondary and the mini strokes are in the same direction, so you won't get that kind of look. So here is the primary one. The secondary stroke has to start from the middle, going all the way, connect, and then pass. The mini strokes has to start from a little bit lower than the primary ones, going parallel to the primary. So this is the way that you can draw the strokes. But if you're doing it this way, if you're making kind of, a little angle here, which is not correct, or if you're doing it too shorter than the primary, it's not right. There are different way of doing the head strokes. You can choose which one you want. So this is all depends on what kind of hair direction naturally your client has. So you can draw a few mini strokes on the head. You can draw the mini strokes in a different direction, like going one out and the next one going inside. Or you can do it the other way. So there are many different way of doing the head stroke. So this is, as I said, it all depends on your client natural hair direction.